Hello and welcome back. In some of our previous videos, we went through a series of steps consisting in the calculation of P&L items. All of these calculations took place on different sheets. What we want to have here is a clean, good-looking output sheet, which will serve us for the calculation of cash flows as a point of reference for all P&L items from this moment forward. This sheet will simply display the P&L figures calculated earlier. A further benefit of having separate output sheets is that they facilitate printing and are useful when preparing a presentation. So, this is the format of our P&L. It starts with revenues, which are the sum of automotive and energy revenues. Their sum will give us Tesla's total revenues in a given year. Then we will have cost of goods sold. The difference of the two is gross profit. Below gross profit are operating expenses. Once they are considered, we arrive at EBIT. EBIT stands for earnings before interest and taxes. After we take into account interest expenses, we obtain earnings before taxes, or just EBT. Finally, we subtract taxes and minority interest, and we arrive at net income.